Hey photo students, I'm just going to go over how to find the assignments that you need to do over the next quarter. Obviously, you know how Schoology works, but I just want to show you how to access that stuff, and then I'm going to talk to you about deadlines when things are due, grades and stuff like that. So you're going to go ahead and go to the course and obviously find photography. And then this very first folder is the folder that you need to access. It's going to have all of the information and resources in here, but also these are all the things that are due. If you notice, everything for photography is going to be due on Tuesdays. So Tuesday is photo day, pretty much. You can see that you still have a photo of the week. We will be setting up conference calls and demonstrations on how to do some of the assignments over the next couple of weeks. So you will need to make an account with Zoom, and you can actually find all that information in here. So go ahead and click on this. This is what the assignments are. You can see that right now your assignment is to document where you are. We're going to be talking about photojournalism and the importance of taking photos to show current situation right now. So you'll want to kind of access this. And then we do have a Photoshop assignment that's going to be due. Obviously, our photos of the week are in here, so you should be looking at that. And then you will be doing some online critiques with a partner and with me and with other people in the class. So you do need to go to this resource folder, and you're going to find this create a Zoom account. You do need to get on there and create a Zoom account and then send me your information so we can start doing conference calls and stuff like that. I will want to check in with you next week. So please make sure you get that going before next Tuesday. Also, you can actually see that if you have a WeChat, you can scan this code and it will actually connect you with me on WeChat if you are overseas. So you should definitely do that. If you have questions, email me. For right now, again, please make sure that you're checking Schoology. You do have stuff that is due, and we will be kind of going over how to do a few things. We will have, like I said, we'll have a couple of critiques and reviews with a couple of people online next week. So you will have to sign up for a time to be part of that. So I will put a document on here regarding times and schedules and things like that. So please be checking for that in the next day or so. Hope you are well. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye, guys.